Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about dynamic array formulas in Excel. So what is dynamic array formulas? Dynamic array formulas allows you to enter just one formula which will give you a multiple answers instead of just one. This is we're going to explain it today in this video. If you see the worksheet which is open in our screen, and we have some order items. You must have some kind of list you have if you're working on such task, which has, in between commas or periods, a full stop or underscore or any other character, or between your items or whatever Excel you have. So how you can split that? So yes, Excel provide a such option using a text split function by which we can separate all of them single formula, and it will apply to other columns as well. So here we go.
PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.
And the raw, like I'm on B3 as of now, you can see. So I'll enter the formula here equals to text split, hit tab button, and then we need to provide text. So here is the text. I'll select the one which is A3, and I'll use a comma here. Now we need to provide a call delimiter here, which is delimiter, which is separating, which is going to separate in the next column. So I'll use a space here, inverted comma, then I will use a comma button here. Why comma is because in every order item you can see there's a comma between um, my order item. So I just want to remove that comma, and I would just want to separate in the next column here in order item, size, and color extra. So once you enter the comma, use the inverted comma again, close the quotes, then again use the round brackets to close the formula and hit enter. Now you'll see the magic here in the next three lines, which is item and size. All right, here we go, enter. Okay, now you can see here, this is the order ID, which is KC001. The item is pants and the size is small. All right, so now we need to apply this formula to the entire column that we have a list of order items. So it's pretty simple. You can just go here, use the autofill handle, and yep, drag it down. Okay, I just put it here, the blank one as well. All right, so we can see here it's all separated, quite easy. And when you just select any one of them, you will see the formula here in the formula bar, and which applies to the other columns as well. All right, this is how you can split the text using the text split function of Excel. And so the pretty interesting thing is here, let's say we have a color code here, and if we add anything here in the text that we have there, let's say for comma, color code, what I will do, okay, I'll take it any of the example code X10. Now see the color code column E, enter. All right, it's there. So this is pretty simple. You can apply to your Excel sheet. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day.